Okay, cheers.
Not somebody there. The same as you want yourself.
Ah. Eh, you're alcoholic. Tingnan mo na. Tsura nito.
I love alcohol.
Ha?
If I want alcohol,
Parang ano, nakainom ka na?
Nakabit na.
definitely alcoholic.
Huwag mong kinakareer yun.
Kasalanan na.
Because it's not good for your liver.
Alcoholic is very good.
Siya nagbagay ng time.
Pinapahinto ko na rin yun si tito mo.
Tama ba?
Dahil hindi maganda yun sa kalusugan.
Not Starbucks.
That's the full